Have you ever noticed something strange? When one person yawns, suddenly everyone around starts yawning too. Why does this happen? Yawning is contagious because of your brain's empathy system. When you see someone yawn, a part of your brain automatically copies that action. It doesn't even ask for permission. This happens because humans are wired to connect and synchronize with each other. The more emotionally connected you are to someone, the more likely you are to catch their yawn. Even thinking about yawning can trigger it. So when you yawn after someone else, your brain is simply responding to human connection.